Police say that DNA evidence has led to the arrest of the suspected Golden State Killer. Joseph James DeAngelo is a former police officer. He allegedly committed at least 12 murders, 45 rapes, and dozens of burglaries up and down California in the 1970s and 80s. In April 2017, 48 Hours investigated the case in an episode titled The Golden State Killer. It included comic Patton Oswalt, who discussed his late wife's book on the case. Today, the Sacramento County Sheriff told reporters nothing from the book helped close the case other than the fact it kept tips coming in. That prompted Oswalt to tweet. Also, the cops will never and have never credited a writer or journalist for helping them solve a case, but every time they said Golden State Killer, they credited the work of Michelle McNamara and I'll Be Gone in the Dark, the book's title. Matt Uris for CBS 2 News.